We are at the airport in Malta, and right now we are just going to board. This is the flight we are using, the Air Baltic, up to Riga. Come along with us as we end our trip from Malta. Bye bye Malta. Off we go. Today the weather looks so good. We have sun.
Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking.
We have boarded and it's finally time to leave Malta. Look at how good the weather is today. Oh my god. The problem is the day when you are leaving is when the weather is so awesome, so beautiful. But you have had a nice time in Malta. I've enjoyed my stay in Malta and it was a beautiful country, beautiful people. Everything is awesome.
With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from.
Off we go finally, away from Malta. Look at how good the weather is. The sun is shining so bright and the skies are so clear. Wow, this has been so awesome.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. No.
We have landed in Latvia, Riga. Their airport is located in a forest. There is zero visibility. Oh my god, here the weather is so bad. You can just compare this weather and the one that we have left in Malta. Oh, this is another opportunity to explore another European country. So let's get out and go explore Riga. Welcome to Riga, Latvia. Yo. Here they also still have flowers. Here in Latvia, they still also have flowers. They have not died. Inside the airport. Yeah, they look beautiful. Let's go. Huh? They are plastic. Oh. They look natural. We are in Riga International Airport, the home of Air Baltic. And right now we just want to get out so that we can take the taxi and go to the city center, find something to eat, and relax. A better gift, holidays in Riga. Let's go. 3 hours. That's too much. Visitor center. So where's the exit? Where's the exit? How do you go out? We are just waiting for our taxi so that we can go to the city center. This is how it looks like. It's very cold actually, and it's raining, just like Norway.
What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting. Tell me now and I'll stop breathing.
So this is the city center in Riga. We are here, we are just looking for a nice place where we can get some food to eat. And it's still drizzling, but it's not so cold. And finally we have found a good awesome place to eat. This restaurant here, and here is the menu. We just want to check something awesome to eat, something to do with beef or meat, of course. Okay, soup. Food is served. This is what we are having. Beef with sauce and some rice and some Fanta. Let's enjoy our food. Christmas lights. Samaska. Yo, you are in Riga. Then you start to dance. After we have eaten food, you are full, now you have the energy to dance. Oh yeah, let's go. Look at this one in Riga. You think we are in Oslo? So we are in Latvia. What a rainy day here in Latvia. But the good thing, we have eaten some good food, so now we are full. So we don't care about the rain or the water or the cold. Let's get the taxi. It's almost here. Yo, you realize here they drive so fast. It's
Yeah.
in Norway.
Look, be careful.
Yeah, also in Malta they drive very fast.
Yeah, very 100 kilometer. in there they are 50-40.
Where are they running to?
I don't know. Maybe Bolcom there.
No, this one has something. Let me check again. Yeah, collecting fridge magnets as usual. I've bought a fridge magnet for Riga, Latvia. Yeah, to show that I've been in Latvia. Let's continue exploring the world. So we are in the airport. Our gate is B5. Here we are not walking so long. I can see at least gate B. And then we board our flight, headed back to Oslo.
I'll be your light, I'll keep you from darkness. Even when the sun don't shine, even when the sun don't shine. Give me your strength.